Wow, so it looks like you've got another project going, baby.
Well, I am making cinnamon rolls.
No way.
You love these.
Is this my lucky day?
This is your lucky day. And all I don't change anything to my recipe. It's my sourdough bread. And actually this I made this yesterday and it rose and then I put it in the fridge. So it's been in the fridge overnight and I am going to just do a little bit of flour on here. And I'm going to get this dough. So this is my sourdough bread, and I would typically just make my bread, but I'm going to use it to make these cinnamon rolls. And I know that a lot of people put different things in their bread, but I just do it this way and they taste good.
Now, when you say a lot of things in their bread, what are you talking
Well,
about?
they put like butter and all of that. This is just my sourdough bread recipe. Exactly the same. And so this dough, like I said, this has been, and I did pull this out of the fridge this morning before we went on our walk. And so this is at room temperature now. And you can see it's got lots of bubbles and it's a really healthy sourdough bread. And I am just going to roll this out into a rectangle about so big. And then I'm going to take, let's see, this is half a cube of butter, so that's 1/4 of a cup of butter, and I'm going to just spread this all over. And then I'm going to, and oh, can't believe I used my spoon that I was going to dig into my sugar. So let me grab.
You're going to have to get another one, baby.
Yeah.
Wow.
I don't want to particularly, and I've got my
That's something
hands.
your husband would do.
Yeah. And then let's sprinkle it with, I don't know, maybe like half a cup of brown sugar. I do like the dark brown sugar. We'll just.
So is there any reason why you like the dark brown versus the light brown?
I like the color and I like the richness of it. Now I have done these sugar-free, but Randy doesn't like those as much. So I am making these with brown sugar. I have used other sugars that are sugar-free.
It's difficult to become sugar-free.
Coconut sugar, those kind of things. So yeah, about half a cup, just kind of spread all over. And then the thing that I really stock up on is lots of cinnamon. Because cinnamon is really good for your digestive system. And so let's see. I'm going to have to.
And besides that, what's a cinnamon roll without cinnamon?
Right. Oh, that was a little too much. But as you can tell, it's good in here. So yeah, a lot of cinnamon.
That looks scrumptious.
And then this is just going to roll like so. And
you act like you've done this before.
This is going to get cut half, and then let's see. I can probably get looks like about 10.
So I noticed you didn't use a measuring stick or anything for that.
I don't. I do not. And then this is a greased pan. And you can see they're sticky because this dough has been out. And so it's sourdough usual. And I get the little ones and kind of pop those into the corner because, and I think I told you this was a greased pan.
So what do you grease your pan with?
Olive oil. Just a little bit of olive oil.
That sounds very healthy.
Well, they cook up good. And so this one here, and these are going to sit and rise for a little bit. I'm going to let those probably double in size, and then we're going to bake them. That's it.
So how long does it take to double those in size?
I'm thinking like an hour. Depends on how warm your house is. So.
Oh, and it's wintertime here, so our house
It is the winter, so it's a little bit cooler.
a little cooler.
Yeah, but it's still okay. So I'm guessing about an hour. So we'll come back, we'll bake them, ice them, and then Randy can eat them.
Oh, I can't wait.
And so I'll clean up this mess.
Okay. So how long has it been, baby?
I don't know. I don't even know if it's been an hour, but they're ready to bake because do you see? They've like they're doubled in size.
Wow.
But I've
really?
been baking bread, and so these have been sitting on the hot oven, which really helps to get that dough risen. So these are going to go cook for like 20 minutes.
I know what I'm having for lunch today.
Cinnamon roll. I bake them at about 375 for 20 minutes. Depends on your oven. I do like them just slightly brown, but not too much. Otherwise, they'll be dry. So.
Perfect.
Okay.
So we're going to throw them in the oven now.
They are going in the oven.
Awesome. Hey, I'm smelling something in here. What's going on?
So these are cooked. They're browned. Not a lot. I did keep them in for 20 minutes and then up the oven to about 425 for another 5-7 minutes just to brown them a little bit.
Look at those cinnamon rolls.
And I am going to scoop one out. They're still pretty hot, but you are going to get to taste these.
I get to taste those?
So look at those.
Holy moly.
Put that there.
Wow.
And then, of course, Randy likes a lot. He loves...
What is a cinnamon roll without lots of icing?
Lots of icing. Like, that's how he loves it, is caked with icing. Now, this is a cream cheese icing. I like to do that with these. So you're going to have to taste test them.
Oh, I can't wait.
But, yeah. Okay, so here's the cinnamon roll. And Randy is going to taste test it. Let's see.
Okay, let's check this thing out. I mean, look at that. Okay. Oh, and it is still warm.
That's right.
Oh my goodness. Where's the end of this thing?
I don't know, but you're going to make
these
a
are
mess,
messy.
I can tell.
My, look at that steam come off those.
Mm.
Oh, 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 oh. Oh my word. Oh, it's hot.
Give us a taste. It's really hot. It just came out. I don't even know. Don't burn yourself.
Oh, that was so good.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it.
Wow.
So there you go. Recommended recipe with sourdough.
That was good. Look at that.
Oh,
wow.
Don't really want to see your hands, but just your face and how you enjoy it.
It was so good. I am so full I can hardly move. We could have ended the video here, but we won't do that to you guys. We owe you at least one recipe. So sourdough bread, that's a whole nother topic in and of itself, so we won't go there. But I did talk Jina into giving us her cream cheese icing recipe. But believe me, it wasn't easy. As I mentioned before, she never follows a recipe. I had to hold her down and kiss her forever until she relented and agreed to put this down on paper. So I hope you appreciate this. Here's your recipe. Try some sourdough cinnamon rolls yourself. They're so good. So until next time, enjoy it and don't eat too much.